Okay, now we have our canvas in place, so let's open up our sketches and show our layout sketch. And we'll start a new sketch plane over here where we defined where we wanted the first triangle to be. So we'll create a plane, a long path along this line. 0 puts it at the start point and 1 puts it at the end. So we'll put 1. And now we'll start a sketch. And we'll show our canvas again and trace out our first triangle in the logo. So we'll hit L on the keyboard to activate line. I don't really want to snap it to anything, so I'll zoom in a little closer to make sure I have the ability to put some dimensions on to place it where I want. And then we'll escape out of the line command and go into offset. Where are you? Offset, there we go. And we'll offset 0.02. So I can type it in or just put the dimension in after the fact. Let's trim real quick. And then we'll just right click and go to the left to get to dimension. Make sure that this is defined. Give this a 30-degree angle. And we'll dimension from our layout sketch endpoint. And it looks like about, that should work, 0.104 maybe. Okay. Then we'll mirror this geometry. If you want to select from right to left, it's a crossing window. And then we'll pick in mirror line and make sure that one's selected. Okay, now we have our two regions. We'll go back to right click, drag down and through sketch and left. We'll dimension the full width across here. And that looks like maybe 0.19 is probably pretty close to what we want to match our logo. Let's make sure these are vertical. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we'll hide our canvas. And it looks like my offset didn't draw the line, so let's just connect a line across here. Looks like I only offset the 1. So now at this point everything is defined and we can right click and press pull. We'll pick the two regions of our triangles. We're going to join up to this body with our design intent of the 30-degree draft so it can print better with the selective laser melting process. So go back home and hide our sketch. So there's our first part of our logo.